Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you super easy and a quick project to be made for a newborn baby, and that is a newborn baby mittens. These are really very cute and easy to make, and this fits the size of 0 to 3 months baby, and these are very cute little miniature thing type that you can that the kids can wear. You can give, because now it's a winter time and all the newborns will be needing these. So let's get started. For this I am using 100% Oxford cotton yarn, and you can use any yarn you like, and the hook I'm using over here is 3.5 mm hook. You'll need a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. Starting with a slip knot, chain 4, and slip stitch into the very first chain of our work. Chain 3, or you can also chain 2. And now make 9 double crochets into the circle we made, or into the ring we made. And this 2 chains will be counted as our first double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this 2 chains will be counted as our first triple crochet. Now we are going to slip stitch into our very second chain we did over here in the starting, and our first round is complete. Moving on to the second round. Chain 1, and now we are going to do half double crochet in each of the stitches. So this is the first half double crochet and the second half double crochet into the same stitch. In this way we are going to do 2 half double crochets in every stitch. So in total we will have 20 half double crochets. See, 2 half double crochets in each of the stitch. Okay, so I have completed my second round of half double crochet in each of 2 half double crochets in each of the stitch, and now in total I have 20 stitches. And slip stitch, chain 1 and start a new round. For this I am not going to increase or decrease any of the stitches and make half double crochet in each of the stitches. So in total we will have 20 half double crochets. This is our round 3, and now we don't have to increase any of the stitches. The stitches will remain same. Now you can see after the third row our mitten has started taking its shape, and now from here, from round 4 till round 8, we only have to make 20 half double crochets in each of the stitches. Like we don't have to increase, we don't have to decrease. So 1, 2, 3, and from 4th onwards till our 8th round, we are going to do half double crochets. I have completed the 8 rows of my cute little mittens, and now moving on to the 9th round, and this is also a very easy round. And now we are going to make the eyelets for our rope to be tied in. So chain 1 and slip stitch into the very next stitch, single crochet into the very next stitch, chain 2, skip a stitch and single crochet into 2 of our stitches. Again chain 2, skip a stitch and 2 single crochets, chain 2, skip a stitch and single crochet into next 2 stitches. See, you can see the eyelets are being formed. Again chain 2, skip a stitch and 2 single crochets, chain 2, skip a stitch, 2 single crochets, chain 2, single crochet into the last stitch, and our round is complete. So we are going to slip stitch over here. Now what you have to do, you have to make single crochet all the way around. So without making any chain, start your single crochets in each of the stitch. So our eyelets are going to be formed. Remember, where you did chain 2, you have to make 2 single crochets. Now this is chain 2 space, so we are going to do 2 single crochets. In this way, do all the way around and make a slip stitch over here. And after that, round 11 will be half double crochets all the way round. So here we go. After making a line of half double crochet all the way around, our mitten looks something like this. Now what you have to do, you have to cut the yarn and fasten off. So you can see these cute little eyelets that are formed. We are now going to make a string to tie our mittens. For that, you simply have to make a chain. You have to make 60 chains. Okay, so after making a slip knot, chain 50, keep on making the chains, and after making the chains, you simply have to weave your chains into the string of chain into the eyelets and form a bow over here. The cute little mitten is ready, and this is without the string, and this is with the string. So I hope you found it useful. It's a very super easy, quick project that the beginners should try, and you can also gift it to someone And you can also make a matching beanie or a cap, or you can also make booties with it and gift it to your loved ones. So, and remember, you have to weave in these ends and make it a very neat and tidy project of yours. I hope you found it useful. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also share, and don't forget to click on the bell button so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Have a great day.